Welcome to this technical guide on the Conga 8290. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Conga 8290 won't charge, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a faulty charging port or battery. If left unattended, it could lead to complete failure of your device, making it unusable. Fortunately, we're here to help you fix it. For this repair, you will need a screwdriver set, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery, and a pair of tweezers. Make sure you have a clean workspace and all your tools ready before you begin. First, let's safely open the device. Start by turning off the Conga 8290 and unplugging it from any power source. Use your screwdriver to remove the screws located on the back panel of the device. Once you've removed the screws, gently use the plastic opening tool to pry open the back cover. Be careful not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing. Now that the device is open, locate the battery. It's usually situated near the charging port. Check for any visible signs of damage or corrosion. If you spot any, it's likely the culprit. To remove the battery, gently disconnect the cables attached to it using your tweezers. When disconnecting the cables, make sure to pull them straight out to avoid damaging the connectors. Next, carefully lift the battery out of the compartment. Take your replacement battery and insert it into the same slot, connecting the cables in the same manner as they were before. Ensure that everything is secure, but be cautious not to exert too much pressure on nearby components. Once the new battery is in place, it's time to close the device. Align the back cover with the device and press it down gently until it clicks into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not over-tightened, as this can strip the threads. After securing the back panel, plug the device in and check if it charges properly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you regularly clean the charging port and avoid using the device while it's charging. Additionally, using a compatible charger can help prolong the life of your battery. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.